past few years, the Apple Watch has dominated the fledgling smartwatch world. But while Google's Android Wear platform has gone through fits and starts, Samsung has built an extensive wearable lineup running on its own platform with the Gear watches. The latest is the new Gear Sport, a $299.99 smartwatch that works with both iOS and Android smartphones. The Gear Sport blends some of the features of last year's bulky Gear S3, such as an upgraded display and interface, with a slightly smaller design that's more reminiscent of 2015's Gear S2. It's also the first Gear watch that's capable of swim tracking, and can withstand up to 50 meters of submersion. That makes it very similar to the Apple Watch Series 2, which introduced swim tracking itself last year. As a whole, though, the Gear Sport doesn't move the needle forward as much as I'd have hoped. Though it has a very intuitive interface, complete with a rotating bezel for navigation, many parts of the experience are still half-baked, whether that's the pathetically anemic selection of apps or the hopelessly useless S-Voice digital assistant. As its name implies, the Gear Sport's design and appearance are more appropriate for the gym or pool than the boardroom or a fine restaurant. Though it is smaller than the Gear S3, it is still a sizable watch, and sits larger on my wrist than I personally prefer while looking rather ridiculous on small wrists. The Sport is noticeably larger and less comfortable to wear than the Gear S2. The watch's body is made of stainless steel and the rotating bezel and two side buttons have nice action,